am at ZOLLER stall at EMO 2025. Obviously, I have the EMO Innovation Passport with me. This time, they have something fully automatic. So I just came to know about that Cora Varion, which is giving all kind of automated solutions when it is coming to tool measuring solutions. We are going to witness that what it is, how it is from Michael.
Today I would like to highlight our new automation solution where we are bringing in to the next level. So this is the Cora Varion system, where we can reach the next level in a fully tool assembly and a tool measuring system. This system allows us even to make a tool change during the automation system. So in this we can even exchange the gripper fully automatically, which allows the customer to use the system for various tool holder systems. Now you are able to make a fully tool assembly by using the Cora Varion. Doesn't matter in which tool holder systems you are working. This can be integrated in every kind of a Venturion series. Doesn't matter if it's a Venturion, a Radomatic, a Phoenix, or a different Venturion series. Depending on what kind of tool holder clamping system you have, we can have here the accessibility to make it a fully automatic solution.
So that's the innovation over here. And I'm going to hand over this passport now to Michael.